Have you ever reached the end of the day and wondered, where did all that time go? You were busy all day, running from task to task, but your goals still feel exactly the same. The truth is, most of us don't have a time problem. We have a focus problem. Let's break down how to actually use your time more effectively and make every day count. 1. Focus on what matters most. Most of us fill our day with busy work, emails, scrolling through social media, or checking notifications. Being busy doesn't mean being productive. Focus on the tasks that actually move you closer to your goals. Ask yourself, if I could only get 3 things done today, what would make this day feel like a success? Those are the things to prioritize. Everything else is extra. 2. Apply the 80-20 rule. Also called the Pareto principle, this rule shows that 80% of your results come from 20% of your actions. That means a small number of tasks create the biggest impact. For example, 1 hour of focused work on your most important project can achieve more than 5 hours of half-distracted effort. Identify your 20%, the tasks that truly matter, and give them your best energy. 3. Protect your focus. Your attention is more valuable than your time. Multitasking, constant notifications, and distractions eat away at your productivity. When you sit down to work, remove interruptions, put your phone away, close extra tabs, and dedicate short, focused periods of work, like 25 minutes of deep focus with 5-minute breaks, also called the Pomodoro technique. You'll be amazed how much you get done when your brain only has one job at a time. 4. Learn to say no. Every time you agree to something unimportant, you're taking time away from what actually matters. Saying no isn't rude. It's protecting your priorities. Focus on commitments that align with your goals and values. When you say yes only to what matters, you regain control of your schedule and energy. 5. Manage your energy, not just your time. Your energy fluctuates throughout the day. Notice when you feel most alert and focused. For most people, that's in the morning. Save your high-energy hours for challenging or creative tasks. Leave simple, repetitive tasks for when your energy is lower. Think of your energy like a battery. Don't drain it on things that won't move you forward. 6. Plan simply, act consistently. Over-planning can be overwhelming. You don't need elaborate systems or color-coded calendars. Start each day by choosing your top priorities. Block time for them and follow through. Life will get messy sometimes, and that's okay. The goal isn't perfect control, it's consistent progress. 7. Embrace progress over perfection. Not every day will be perfect. Some days you'll accomplish everything you planned. Other days nothing seems to go right. That's normal. The goal is consistent effort, not flawless execution. Reset when needed and keep moving forward. So next time you feel like time is slipping away, remember, it's not about having more hours in the day. It's about using the hours you already have intentionally. Focus on what matters, protect your attention, and use your energy wisely. Small changes like these compound over time, and before you know it, you'll feel more in control and accomplished. If you want more tips on productivity and self-development, hit subscribe. On this channel, we don't just talk about getting things done. We show you how to upgrade your daily habits and make your time work for you.